Hi, are you looking for a property and too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've reached the right destination. This is Property Cloud, जहाँ पर हम आपको करवाते हैं virtual tours of property and I give you all possible details of the properties that you need to know. Stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, on Property Cloud to know more about the properties. And this is one of the villas at Lodha, Villa Royal. Now, this is a complete villa scheme wherein there are going to be multiple variants in the villas starting from 250 square yards onwards, going to 350, 450 and 600 square yards. And the price range begins from 3.6 crore onwards. Now, we all know the location of this place and it is located very close to the metro stations. This is in Dombivli area. Now, let me show you this villa. This is not a bare shell. They are selling the bare shell villas. This is a made-up villa, but let me show it to you. It is indeed royal and indeed grand and luxurious. This is the entrance lawyer, as you can see, and right at the entrance over here is the powder room. Now the powder room comes pretty well equipped with all of the sanitary fittings, and usi ke exactly samne is this bedroom over here. Now this bedroom, as you can see, the flooring is made up of wooden finished tiles and they've provided a very beautiful French window for the perfect ventilation and lighting. Along with that, here is the attached toilet and wash to this particular room. Now through this aisle area, let me take you into the kitchen. And the kitchen is right over here. Now the kitchen comes with this great L-shaped slab over here and ends at this copper finished sink right over here. And also this is the dry utility area which comes with another sink, and I'm also going to show you the servants' quarter. Now this is your servants' quarter that comes with two different rooms for the servants' quarter. This is the first bedroom and this over here is the second bedroom. It also comes with an attached toilet and wash, and this is the back door exit to the house which will have your garden outside. Let's get back into the house. From the kitchen area, we will move first of all towards the living and the dining space, which also has the backyard included. So this is your living area, which comes with these beautiful French windows and also this French door that will open into the backyard. And this door opens into the backyard right over here. This is the place where you can enjoy your evening coffees or your barbecues. Now here is the dining space that comes with yet another window so that it is well lit. Along with that, under the stairs, they have utilized this place over here as well for your storage. Now let's take a look at the upper floors. And here is the first bedroom on this floor. Now this bedroom also comes with multiple windows for perfect cross ventilation and also a beautiful balcony. Let's take a look at the balcony. The balcony also comes with anti-skid wooden finished ceramic tiles. And now it's time for the walk-in wardrobe. Now here is your walk-in wardrobe and your washroom. This place is your walk-in wardrobe that also comes with a window. Here is the shower cubicle and the toilet cubicle. Now once we walk back over here into this aisle area, this over here is your study area. And even this comes with a very cute balcony, a very cute balcony, I must say. And these ones again are French doors over here. And the flooring again is wooden finished ceramic tiles. Coming back into the aisle area, this is your puja ghar, the mandir room. And this over here is the next bedroom. Let's come and take a look at it. Now this is the room that also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. And one thing that I absolutely loved about the home is the windows for cross ventilation. and the open areas, that is the balcony. Now this is a semicircle balcony, so they also call it as the Juliet balcony. Well, it is indeed a Juliet balcony because it gives a romantic touch to the whole luxurious feel that you're getting over here. Now let's take a look at the other bedroom as well. This is the next bedroom of the house that comes without a balcony though, but it comes with a very big window. Again, it's a French window to let in the perfect air, and it also comes with an attached toilet and wash. Let's take a look at this one. This also comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, 2 different shower cubicles, 1 shower cubicle and 1 toilet cubicle as well. Well, if you think it ends here, no it doesn't. I still have to take you on the next floor. Let's go. And here we are at the terrace of this beautiful house. Right over here, this door takes you into tranquility. This is the place where you will have your evening barbecue parties maybe, and also enjoy the beautiful views of the mountain ranges and the greenery around. You can also have a solar panel that can be placed over here on the terrace, and they have provided this really small staircase wherein you can have the water filters or the water reservoirs on the top. In case you are wondering कि इस विला को देखने के लिए आपको exactly क्या करना पड़ेगा, well, booking process बहुत ज़्यादा simple है, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको और कुछ देर वेट करना पड़ेगा. Stay with me. And now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you're very interested in knowing कि booking कैसे करनी है. Well, booking कैसे करनी है उसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि Property Cloud क्या है. This is India's only PropTech service which connects you directly with the developer and also helps you do virtual site tours. Now, what are the advantages of Property Cloud? Well, it's very simple. First thing, that we are a PropTech service, so you don't have to do actual physical site visits and go and check out each and every property. हम आपको सारी के सारे प्रॉपर्टी के डिटेल्स यहीं पर बताते हैं आपके मोबाइल फोन पर या आपके लैपटॉप पर. After that, when you need to do a physical site visit, after you've shortlisted a couple of properties, then we provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own relationship manager who will take you on the site visits and also tell you all the other details that you need to know. Now, along with this, we also connect you directly with the developer. Thereby, we do not charge you any brokerage. So we have a completely zero brokerage policy, and we also give you many payment options and also many booking offers and spot payment offers too. So you get the best of deals, the best of discounts, zero brokerage and free pickup and drop service and much more. और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है क्या, तो नहीं. Property Cloud is present across the globe in major cities of India like Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. And along with that, we have a global presence also. We are present in UAE, in Singapore, in USA, in Canada and many more countries. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, तो आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, वो है आपको करना है क्लिक नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर. Once you click on this link, we will get in touch with you and we will help you buy your dream home absolutely hassle-free. Stay tuned to us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud. This is me, Ekta Kapoor, signing off for today. Thank you.